Welcome to our channel. If your Android phone is not charging properly, follow these step-by-step instructions to diagnose and fix the charging port and related issues. Step 1. Try a different charging cable and power adapter to rule out a faulty charger. Use an original or certified cable that is compatible with your phone's charging specifications. Step 2. Inspect the charging port on your phone for visible debris, lint, or damage. Shine a light into the port to check for obstructions that might prevent proper contact. Step 3. Carefully clean the charging port using a wooden toothpick or a soft plastic tool. Gently scrape out any lint or debris, being careful not to damage the internal connectors. Step 4. Blow compressed air into the charging port to remove loose particles. Hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture damage. Step 5. Restart your phone to reset any software glitches that might be preventing charging. Hold the power button and select Restart or Power Off, then turn it back on. Step 6. Check the charging cable connector for bent pins or damage. If the cable is damaged, replace it with a new one that meets your phone's specifications. Step 7. Try charging your phone while it is powered off. If it charges successfully when off but not when on, you may have a software issue requiring a factory reset. Step 8. If none of these steps work, the charging port may be physically damaged and require professional repair. Visit an authorized service center for inspection and replacement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.